So my last few days have been virtually unvloggable just because they're boring days at work. But it looks like Wookie and I are gonna go downtown Salt Lake City again to eat dinner or something. So I'm gonna get showered and shaved and maybe go do something exciting for once in a while. Okay, let's join the army. I was here to see the bees! Got a big bees game going! Go bees! Go bees! I don't even know.
All we want to do is get food.
And yet we've been swarmed by bees fans.
Bees nuts?
Bees nuts.
Got him.
Baseball has been very, very good to me. I could be wrong. I'm pretty good at being wrong. What?
There it is. Kangaroo. You missed it.
I found you, Garff. It's the Hyundai. Everybody in Utah drives a Hyundai. Fun fact, we're in a Hyundai right now.
They've accepted Ken Garff as their leader.
Take me to your Garff.
Who was most recently appointed Ken Garff.
Exactly. It's actually a lottery system in Utah. You just every year on January 1st, somebody in Utah gets a letter that says, "You won this year's Garff."
What if they take a small child and raise it to be Ken Garff?
Yeah, maybe it is like the Dalai Lama. Just like at birth, they run a few tests to see if it's the true Garff, and then they give him his honorary Garff cap and cape.
Probability of mustache.
Say, "Hail Garff!"
Oh no. Come on in here, you Prius.
Have you accepted Garff as your Lord and Savior? Is Garff the same guy that declares everything open?
Yes.
I declare this open!
Bow to your friend guy.
Bow. The good Garff giveth, and the good Garff taketh away. And the good Garff giveth great deals on Hyundai! Dun 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 Ken Garff! Wookie, there's a rainbow over this Greek Orthodox church. What does it mean?
That it has recently rained and now there's sunlight shining through.
Are you sure it doesn't mean that it's the one true religion? So the truth comes out. So, if you're wondering what I actually do here, me and Wookie and I, maintaining these Chinooks that you've seen in all these other videos. So what that means is every day it needs to have a daily inspection, and the joke is that it takes a whole day to do it. So Wookie and I are just the two of us maintaining these two aircraft here, and to do that, we have this book here. It's like 45 pages long, and it has just step-by-step things to check for. Just from this line here, as you can see here, back, is this area right here has 58 steps of things to check on its own. and we have sections for that all around. So we have section for like the right side, the left side, the front, ramp, the inside, the cockpit, the top, the middle of the top, the front of the top, all kinds of stuff. We have to run through all of that, all the steps. In this video you're seeing now, don't worry about that. You're seeing me crawl underneath the aircraft right now, doing the inspections of cargo hooks and the landing gear and all that. It takes about 4 man-hours per aircraft, I think. And then when we're done with that, we've been fixing things that break every day and taking all the covers and getting the aircraft ready to fly for the crew that comes in the afternoon. Yeah, and that's what we do.